Chocolate. The very word evokes a sense of indulgence, comfort, and pure happiness. From the ancient Mayans, who revered it as the food of the gods, to modern-day chocolate enthusiasts, this sweet treat has captivated taste buds across cultures and generations. But have you ever stopped to consider the fascinating science and engineering that transform humble cacao beans into the smooth, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate we know and love? It's a journey of precision, chemistry, and a dash of culinary artistry. One of the critical steps in chocolate making is tempering. This process is essential for achieving that perfect texture and shine in your chocolate creations. Without proper tempering, even the finest quality chocolate can turn out dull and grainy. This process might sound intimidating, but it's really about controlling the crystallization of cocoa butter, the natural fat found in cacao beans. Cocoa butter can form several different types of crystals, but only one type gives chocolate that desirable snap and sheen. Think of it like building a strong foundation for a house. Just as a solid foundation ensures the stability of a building, proper tempering ensures the stability and quality of your chocolate. Tempering involves carefully heating and cooling melted chocolate to specific temperatures. The process typically starts by melting the chocolate to a high temperature to break down any existing crystals. Then the chocolate is cooled to allow the formation of stable crystals. Finally, it is gently reheated to working temperature. This creates a stable crystal structure within the cocoa butter. The result? A chocolate bar that snaps cleanly, melts smoothly on the tongue, and boasts a beautiful glossy finish. Properly tempered chocolate also has a longer shelf life and resists blooming, which is the unsightly white film that can appear on improperly tempered chocolate. Skip this crucial step and you'll be left with a dull, brittle disappointment. Not only will the texture be off, but the flavor can also be compromised. So whether you're making chocolate bars, truffles, or any other chocolate confection, mastering the art of tempering is key to achieving professional quality results. Now let's talk about cocoa butter, the unsung hero of the chocolate world. This magical fat is responsible for chocolate's unique texture and melting properties. Cocoa butter can crystallize in different forms, each with its melting point. The most desirable form for chocolate making is known as Form 5, which melts just below body temperature. This is why good chocolate literally melts in your mouth, creating that irresistible sensation we all crave. The journey from cacao bean to chocolate bar is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering. It all starts with harvesting ripe cacao pods, which contain the precious beans. After fermentation and drying, the beans are roasted to develop their characteristic flavor and aroma. Next, they are cracked and winnowed to separate the nibs, the edible part, from the shells. The nibs are then ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor, which forms the base for all chocolate creations. Once the chocolate liquor is tempered, it's ready to be molded into those iconic bars and shapes we all recognize. This is where engineering precision comes into play. Molds are designed with intricate details and patterns to give each chocolate piece its unique look. The tempered chocolate is carefully poured into these molds, ensuring an even distribution and minimizing air bubbles. After cooling and solidifying, the chocolate is released from the molds, ready to be packaged and enjoyed. Section 6, Temperature Control, the chocolate choreographer. Think of temperature as the choreographer of the chocolate making process. Every step, from tempering to molding, requires precise temperature control to ensure the final product meets the highest standards. Too hot, and the chocolate might become grainy or scorched. Too cold, and it won't set properly or develop its characteristic shine. It's all about finding that sweet spot. And that's where the expertise of chocolatiers and the precision of their equipment come into play. Section 7. Crystallization, the dance of the molecules. Remember those cocoa butter crystals we talked about? These tiny structures are the unsung heroes of chocolate making, playing a crucial role in determining the final texture and quality of the chocolate. Without them, the chocolate would lack the smoothness and snap that we all love. Well, their formation is a delicate dance orchestrated by temperature. The precise control of heat is essential in this process. Too hot and the crystals won't form correctly. Too cold and the chocolate will seize up. It's a balancing act that requires both skill and patience. During tempering, the chocolate is heated to melt all the crystals, creating a clean slate. This initial melting phase is crucial because it ensures that all the different types of crystals are dissolved, allowing for a uniform structure to form later. Then it's carefully cooled and agitated, encouraging the formation of the desirable Form V crystals. This stage is where the magic happens. The chocolate is stirred and manipulated to encourage the right kind of crystals to form, giving the chocolate its characteristic snap and shine. This process ensures that the chocolate sets with a smooth, even texture and a glossy sheen. The end result is not just visually appealing, but also enhances the mouthfeel and flavor release, making each bite a delightful experience. It's molecular gastronomy at its finest, transforming a simple ingredient into a sensory masterpiece. The science behind chocolate making is a testament to how understanding and manipulating molecular structures can elevate a humble ingredient into a work of art. From the careful selection of cocoa beans to the precise control of temperature and agitation, every step is a dance of molecules, culminating in a product that is as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the palate. Section 8. The Art and Science of Flavor. While science and engineering lay the foundation for exceptional chocolate, it's the artful combination of ingredients that truly elevates the experience. From the percentage of cacao used to the addition of milk, sugar, vanilla, and other flavorings, each element plays a crucial role in shaping the final taste profile. Whether you prefer the intense bitterness of dark chocolate or the creamy sweetness of milk chocolate, there's a scientific reason why certain flavor combinations work so well. Section 9. A Symphony of Senses, Enjoying the Masterpiece. The next time you break off a piece of your favorite chocolate bar, take a moment to appreciate the intricate interplay of science, engineering, and artistry that went into creating it. Each bar is a testament to the dedication and passion of chocolatiers who have spent years perfecting their craft. The journey of chocolate from bean to bar is a fascinating one, involving numerous steps that ensure the final product is nothing short of perfection. From the precise tempering of the cocoa butter to the careful control of temperature and the artful blending of flavors, it's a symphony of senses that delights and satisfies. The tempering process, for instance, is crucial in achieving that perfect snap and glossy finish. It involves heating and cooling the chocolate to specific temperatures to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals. This meticulous process ensures that the chocolate not only looks beautiful but also melts smoothly in your mouth, providing a luxurious experience. So go ahead, indulge your sweet tooth and savor the delicious results of this culinary masterpiece. Each bite is a celebration of the hard work and creativity that goes into making high-quality chocolate. Whether you prefer dark milk or white chocolate, there's a unique story behind every bar. The next time you enjoy a piece, think about the farmers who carefully cultivate the cocoa beans, the scientists who study the perfect blend of ingredients, and the artists who design the beautiful packaging. It's more than just a treat. It's an experience that engages all your senses and brings joy